Today, I'm going to walk you through how to add product categories in WordPress using WooCommerce. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to organize your online store with custom categories, making it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for and giving your shop a more professional feel. Proper categories aren't just for appearances, they actually make a huge difference in both the customer experience and in your own day-to-day management of your store. So let's jump right in and set your shop up for success. First, you'll want to create a new product category. To do this, hop into your WordPress dashboard and find the menu on the left-hand side. Look for Products. It's usually right under WooCommerce itself. Hover over Products and then click on Categories. This brings up the entire category management screen, where you'll see a list of any categories you've already created, plus a section on the left for adding a new one. Now in the name field, type in the name of your new category. For this example, let's say you're selling shoes and you want to organize products by who they're for. You might enter men's shoes. Take your time here and make sure the category name is clear and easy to understand. Think of the words your customers would naturally use when browsing. If you use an abbreviation or something confusing, your shoppers might get lost, so it's best to keep it simple and descriptive. Next up is the Slug field. This little detail actually matters for your website's URLs, but you don't have to stress over it. If you leave this blank, WordPress will automatically create a slug for you, usually based on the category name. For instance, men's shoes would become men's shoes. It's one less thing to worry about. Just let WordPress handle it unless you have a very specific custom URL in mind. You'll also notice the parent category dropdown. This is a great feature if you want to set up a hierarchy. For instance, you might want shoes as a main category with men's shoes and women's shoes as subcategories underneath it. If you want men's shoes to stand alone as a main category, just leave this set to none. But if you're aiming for a subcategory, simply choose the parent category from the list. Organizing categories this way helps you create a tidy product structure, just like store aisles and clear signage help shoppers in a physical store. Now there's the option to upload a thumbnail image. This might seem optional, but it's a really nice touch, especially if your theme supports category grids or images on your shop page. Click the Upload Add Image button and choose something that visually represents your category, maybe a smart pair of men's dress shoes or whatever fits your product line. A good image helps your shoppers instantly recognize the category and makes your site look polished and inviting. Once you've set everything up the way you want, take a moment to review it. Double-check the category name, the structure, and the image, because getting it right now will save you editing time later. And when you're ready, hit the Add New Category button. WordPress will create your category and add it to your list on the right side of the screen. You're done, that's all it takes. And there you have it, your shop is now a little more organized and user-friendly. Thanks for following along. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about WooCommerce categories, just drop them in the comments below. I do read them and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next video.